How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 63 Impala, done in its original steel blue. Super nice car, all original panel car. Car spent most of its life in Tennessee and Carolinas. It's a super nice car. We put a couple hundred miles on the car driving it home. See, it's all the original grille, bumpers, and they're in excellent shape. Very nice car, folks. Thing drives real nice. It's got the 300 horse, 327 factory 4-barrel. It's got the original 2-speed Power Glide trans. The car's real straight down the sides. The paint looks good on the car. See, all the tail panel trim and everything is really nice on it. All the panel fitment's real nice. Now, this car was restored back in 2015. Still looks like a day it was done. Got a bunch of paperwork, original registrations, and some restoration receipts. Again, it's a 300 horse, 327, numbers match, it's been rebuilt. You see, it was updated with the disc brakes up front. Got a nice set of red line BFGs on it. Tell you, I really like the color combination. It's a real classy, good looking car. Dash and everything's all really nice. Headliner's tight, nice. They updated it with front and rear seat belts. Got a nice little center armrest there on the seat that's removable, but it's nice to have. See, the jams are nice and clean on the car. I really like the roof line on these cars. Trunk's all solid, nice. Got the original jack and spare. This is a folder, bunch of paperwork. Got the original jack sticker still stuck on the bottom of the deck lid there. Tell you, the interior in this car is just immaculate. Very nicely done. Got your deluxe mats and everything. We'll fire it up. Fires right up. Again, we put over 200 miles on this car driving it home. Got a nice Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Got the LED tail light upgrade, really nice. Looks like we got a backup light out. We'll check that out. Just a super, super nice car, guys. The car drives out really nice, rides great. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.